I don't like my hair. Can you put me my hair good, please?
You're good here.
No, in front.
In front, all over here.
Yes, but this part in my eyes, like, okay, go. Never mind.
Ciao LJUDI, ciao! Today we have a challenge, not my arms, and I'm with my boyfriend, Uroš.
Hola a todos, ¿qué pasa? ¿Qué tal? Yo soy Uroš, zdravo ljudi, ciao, ciao.
Brate!
Okay, vale. I just want to say hi. Hi.
Dosta bre!
Dosta, bre.
Okay, what we gonna do? What you gonna do?
Okay, today, I don't know, it's called the Not My Arms Challenge, sí, claro, okay, and today I'm gonna make up my girl Jenny, oh yeah, oh, bam, baloso, yeah. Okay, and this is my arms, yeah, your arms are up there, they say we have a big one shirt, your arms cannot be moved, mine can, and you're gonna do whatever I do, I will make up you, I mean todo, lips, cover, all, because I'm a bloody good makeup artist, and oh yeah, brother. Okay, dobro, ništa, brate, onda to je to. This one, we have, I think, a lot of makeup, a lot of basics. Okay, we're gonna start what? With the basics? Then
Go in and cover here with the lips, eyes, todo, eyebrows, and then a rímel. Okay, vale. So,
let's get started.
Let's gonna start. First we're gonna use the foundation. Is L'Oreal Accord Perfect. Yes, it would be cool if you can see first the foundation. Thank you. Backwards, baby. Backwards. Da. Show to the camera. Bravo. Never mind. We're gonna put it on. Vale. Put just a little bit. And we're gonna put it in our face like polacco. Bravo. Muy polacco. Yeah, I think yeah. Super. The next step is put on concealer. Done.
Woohoo!
Let's put concealer under our eyes. Be careful just to put some light and illuminate our face. Maybe you can illuminate another part of the face that you want. So now that we finished with the concealer, we're gonna use the powders. Bravo. It's from El Corte Inglés, Maderas. Yeah, Maderas. Number 7. Yeah, we got it. Either.
No pasa
Be
nada.
careful. Opa. Ya. Mucho hard, like bravo. We're gonna make eyeliner. Okay, oh my god, God help me.
But
There.
Okay. The other eye.
Yeah,
Bravo.
it's
So we finished.
good.
No pasa nada.
Oh, okay. Now, my favorite product ever is Wake Me Up from Maybelline. I recommend you all. It's perfect. Haydi. So super. Gonna move it a little bit, okay? And
Oh, brat.
gonna hold our face and either.
Oh,
Now blush from Essence, number 20, Bury Me Up. Yeah. Okay, polacco. Yeah, we're gonna put blush in our hair. Super. Oh
Kaya.
yeah.
Kaya. Te porti.
Yeah, Only Bello!
It's okay?
No!
It's good, right? It's good.
Okay, yeah. Eyebrows. My favorite thing ever. Oh my god. It's new, so be careful. It's from NYX. Eyebrow from NYX number. I don't know. Polacco. Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah.
Let me see. Jebote, brate.
What we need?
Ooh,
Lipstick. From Kiko number is the number 908. Super. Don't touch it. Okay. Bravo. With this is enough to have basic and natural makeup. I don't know.
Oh my god! You look so guapa!
Really?
Oh, let me see you. Wait. Go there and see like that.
Why?
I think it's pretty awesome, You look so guapa. I mean, oh my God.
You too.
Yeah, claro.
You too.
YouTube.
I can't. This
Cool.
is
So I
fucking
think you did a good job, huh?
You did it. Svaka čast, brate.
Svaka čast, brate! Down low!
Pardon.
Too slow. No, you did it okay.
So this was the challenge. I hope you like it. If you want to see more videos like that about the challenge, tags, and of course with my dear boyfriend Uros, please subscribe and comment down if you want to see him more here, because he is so cool and so great. And Kaya, I mean, don't do that. I mean, you have a great time.
Yeah, I had a cool time, really.
Really?
It was a bloody good Thursday afternoon with me chica, so talio, choppy chop.
So that's all. Vedremo se in the next video. Ciao!
Other is okay, the other is that's so fancy. And the other, my favorite and personal one is Buffalo Soldier. Dreadlock Rasta. Buffalo Soldier. Dosta.
Ciao.